Hello students, myself Abhishek Sharma from MLZS JHANSI School Jhansi. Today we are taking one of the important topic of chapter 3 of class 11th economics, that is law of diminishing marginal utility. In my earlier class I have discussed about what is utility, what is TU, what is MU, and it is one of the most important topic to understand the topic consumer equilibrium. So today we will discuss about its concept, assumptions, schedule, and these two diagrams which I have drawn. So taking with the first topic concept, psychologically intensity of desire for a commodity tends to decrease as more and more units of a commodity are consumed. Accordingly, every successive unit of the commodity offers less and less satisfaction. It means MU tends to decline as consumption of the commodity increase. This is called law of diminishing marginal utility. Law of diminishing marginal utility states that as more and more units of a commodity are consumed, MU derived from every additional units must decline. It happens in respect of all goods and services. It is therefore also called as fundamental law of satisfaction or fundamental law of psychological law. So the next topic is assumption. Assumption means those conditions in which this law is applicable. So there are 8 assumptions of this law. First is consumer should be a rational. He or she should be normal, not abnormal. Second, independent utility. Third, same quality. The goods which he or she is consuming should of same quality. It should not differ in quality or texture. Fourth, standard quantity. The amount of quantity should not vary. It should be fixed and standard. Fifth, there should be a continuous consumption. There should not be delay or interval in the consumption of the units of the commodity. Cardinal measurability. The satisfaction should be measured in terms of number. As it was discussed in my earlier lecture, that Alfred Marshall believes that satisfaction is measured in terms of numbers. Constant marginal utility of money. The MU of money remains constant. This means the things which we are consuming units should have constant MU of money. And last is that fixed income and prices. There are no variation in the income of consumer and prices of the commodity. These both should remain fixed. So once again I repeat the 8 assumptions of this law: rational consumer, independent utility, same quality, standard quantity, continuous consumption, cardinal measurability, constant MU of money, fixed income and prices. So students, moving to this schedule and this diagram, I have taken 5 units. TU I have mentioned. On basis of TU I have calculated MU. When TU was 10 on first unit, MU was 10. When it was 15, there is 5. When it was same 15, it was 0. When it decreases, it's minus 5. When it becomes 2, it becomes minus 8. So on x-axis I have taken units and on y-axis I have taken MU. So when on first unit it was 10, then it was 5, then 0, then minus 5 and minus 8. So as you are seeing that this curve is going down, because in my earlier classes I have taken the concept relationship between TU and MU. So when TU is maximum, mu becomes 0, and when tu start diminishing, mu becomes negative. So students, today we have discussed law of diminishing marginal utility, its concept, assumption, its schedule and curve. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.